Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie and we are here at our Airbnb in Nice, France. We're leaving today, but before we do, I wanted to give you a follow-up tour and tell you what I think that this Airbnb host could do to really make this Airbnb better. Before we start that though, I do want to say we would stay in this Airbnb again. This Airbnb has a lot of potential. The owner could invest a little bit of money and it would be fabulous. They could also do a lot of things that would be free to make it just a whole lot better right away. So let's start first in the entryway closet. Hopefully Garrett can get in here and show you. There's a lot of useless things. We have 2 space heaters. I don't know why we have those. There are radiators that work in the apartment, so not sure why we need those. There's a pack and play. There are 2 vacuums, one down here and one up here. Why do we need 2? I'm not sure. There's also a bunch of other junk, like we have some flip-flops, a hat, and hey, let's look at this lovely broken picture. Why do Airbnb hosts leave things that are broken? Throw that crap away. And besides that, that wasn't even that good looking. So up next, we're gonna head over to the bathroom. We made our way over to the bathroom, and I'm sure you can pick up on this horrible paint color. I don't know what they were thinking when they painted it this. Also, the paint in this room, the hallway, most every room really is cracking and chipping and really needs to be redone. What I would say is a positive on this bathroom is the size. It's actually quite big, but it does lack storage. We appreciated these shelves right here that we could put our stuff on. It's kind of like, you know, a wide sink. But there were towels in the hall closet that we could really use with like some shelving here to put towels and other things, or shelving here if you really wanted to keep this coat rack. Otherwise, this bathroom is actually a pretty good size. Paint job would do wonders. Oh, and a trash can. There's no trash can in this bathroom. Weird. So the water closet is separate from the bathroom in this apartment, and it's like that in a lot of places in Europe. So again, no trash can. That's an easy, probably a couple of dollar fix. But this wallpaper type of blueness, I'm not sure what this is, but this is duct tape. So this might all be duct tape that's been painted on. The artwork is a calendar from 2016. Kind of needs to go. A trash can, paint, fix this wall, and this would be a lot better. So we are now in the bedroom. It's a fair size. It's a little tight. Like the other rooms in the house, it really could use a paint job. This blue is atrocious. It's mostly decor in here, actually, and the bed. The bed is hard as a rock. Garrett liked it. I did not like it so much, but we have chipping paint. The decor is atrocious. Like, look at this Avengers Assemble poster. It doesn't even fit the frame. This is a cardboard piece that's showing above it. Like, why would you put that in here? Also, we have over the bed 2 little lights. Why are they not faced in the same direction? You would think like you would want symmetry. Additionally, you have this little picture here. And hey, the matching one is up here because it apparently fell off the wall. You can still see the hole. So like, why would you not just fix that, take them both down? And hey, who doesn't love a good teddy bear to cuddle up with at night? Not me. Who knows who did what to that thing? Ugh. And cotton. I'm from Memphis. I see enough of that. That just makes a mess. Also, these shelves, while the apartment is exactly as shown in the pictures, this is just not practical to put stuff. We didn't use the air, so I can't talk about that, but I would at least get a mattress topper, paint the walls, patch the holes, get some better artwork, and fix those lights so they're the same way. Oh, one other thing, if Garrett will show you the front of the little side tables, like how hard is it if you need handles to get one that fits in the holes? Like, it's just little stupid things like that. We are in the kitchen. It actually wasn't even all that bad. Again, a crappy paint job. It looks like they, at least on the wall Garrett has his back to, they put on 1 coat of paint over something that was dark, and they should have done 2 or 3 coats. Also, that artwork's hung a little high. Okay, I know, I'm nitpicking, but it's true. There's no real storage space in here. So there's a little table, which has been great. We used it to store all of our food, but as you'll see in a minute in the living room, there's another dining table there. So what I would suggest would be a table, or excuse me, like a buffet type of furniture that people could use to store food. They could get some of these appliances off the counter. Heck, it would be great if the microwave could be on a little cart there, and I think that would make a world of difference. We made our way over to our final room, which is the living room. This is probably actually the best room in the house, in my opinion. It comes down to paint needs to be done. I don't know, maybe it's European, like a thing, or all of the walls in this apartment are like a flat paint, so you can't wipe that down. So a paint job, fix the chipping paint. There's some on the ceiling. The couch, I would say, is comfortable enough. Like, if you couldn't afford to change it right away, we could live with it. But art, like that art, is so faded, it's not good. This table though is really sturdy. I actually like this. There's chairs that look like they have been reupholstered. Now, the big thing I would say about this room is this little nook right here. And the reason I'm going to point this out is this room, or excuse me, this Airbnb accommodates 4 people. And so this couch folds out to a bed, which we didn't try that, but to sleep 2 adults. If you look around and you remember the other rooms I showed you, where are the people sleeping in this room going to put their clothes? There's nowhere to put it unless it's on this table. But if we went over here and we got some nice little baskets, they could put their clothes in there and no one would have to see it. Besides, who needs glasses like these anyway? What kind of decor is this? So then we have some not very nice pictures of Nice. And if you really wanted to keep those, I would stagger those over the couch. But some baskets, a paint job, place for storage, and hey, another little stuffed animal. Maybe these glasses are his. I don't know. Anyway, those are the basic things I would do to take this Airbnb up a notch. I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. Check out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com. We'll see you next Thursday. Have a great week.